You gotta stay still. Is that your squirrel?
Yes.
Yes. Say hi, squirrel. Wave. Good girl. Say hi. Are you eating the nuts we put in there, squirrel? Hmm? You can't, yeah, you can't scare it. Oh, you scared it. You gotta be quiet. Thank you for the kiss. That's a peanut. Where did he go? Oh, he's up there? Hi, say bye-bye, squirrel. Say bye-bye. No, don't want to?
No.
Okay, well, Mommy's gonna turn it off. You, that's a